You know what's great about owning a Tesla is it's like 10 degrees out right now, and you see my arm can go in and out of the window. That's because my window regulator decided to eat shit and it's not working. So I can't, I have to replace this window regulator just like I did the rear one. The only difference is it's not like whatever it was, 60 degrees and nice out. No, it's snowing, it's 10 degrees and cold. And I'm driving back home. So this is a really cool sound that the car makes. That's because my window decided to die on this side. This is me trying to warm while going to the grocery store. This is so dumb.